Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Conversational Form feature in Form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. First, navigate to the Settings section. Now select Conversational Form feature on the left-hand side of the menu. Then enable the Conversational Form settings. Under Theme Settings section, you can change the accent color to suit your preferences. Don't forget to click the Update button after making any changes. You can also change the whole background color of the form, or add a beautiful image as you need. Using this option, you can easily customize the text label color of the form to suit your preferences. You can also customize the input text color as per your requirement. With the step list feature, you have the flexibility to customize all your steps at once, or you can customize each step individually. The choice is yours. If you disable this option, the welcome page will be hidden, and if you enable this option, the welcome page will be visible. Using this option, you can customize your form layout in different styles, such as normal, compact left, compact right, padding left, or padding right. You can also change the welcome page title to suit your own preferences. Here, you can add a content as per your requirement. This option lets you customize the background color for each step individually. You can also customize the button text according to your preferences. Step Hints feature in Form provides brief and helpful instructions at each form step for a more user-friendly experience. This feature allows you to customize the button background color format for each step. You can also personalize the button text color to suit your preferences. If you enable this option, the navigation bar will be visible, and if you disable this option, the navigation bar will be hidden. By disabling this option, the progress label will not be shown, and by enabling this option, the progress label will be shown. Enabling this option will display the progress bar, while disabling it will hide the progress bar. If you enable this option, the navigation button will be visible, and if you disable this option, the navigation button will be hidden. By disabling this option, the Form branding feature will not be visible, and by enabling this option, the Form branding feature will be visible. Users can move to the next field by pressing the down arrow key, and return to the previous field by pressing the up arrow key. Now copy this URL and paste it in a new tab. Now let's fill out the form. Form submitted successfully. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.